Hey guys, do you enjoy watching videos online and you want to get paid while doing that? Then you need to watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can watch videos, create content, and get paid for doing so. So the link to this app will be on the description box, so just click on it and sign up an account. So after signing up, just follow the prompt and set up your account. When you go to your profile, you have to set up your profile. When you set up your profile, you put in your username. Just click on info, and you put in your details, your bio, your username, do everything. Then this place they wrote unlock or reward. That's where you see task. I already done my task before I remember doing this video. So I have 35.5k lumo, but this lumo is not the main deal. This lumo you can use it to enter lucky pool. So you can just enter the draw. This is the daily price draw. So if you're lucky, you get the main deal, which is the Doppy. Doppy is the coin. So Doppy is what you can withdraw. So this is how it looks like. You can click on join the draw and you put the amount of Doppy that you want to. And at the end of the day, you might get a reward. When you come to the market, this is what you can get. If you decide to boost, you can boost. But if you just want to be earning normally, you are good to go. So all you need to do is just, assuming you want to boost it, they said boosting is 3.09 and earn up to $10. So just make your research, I beg. If you join, you are free to make your research before doing anything on this platform. But if you still just want to continue watching the normal video, any the small one I'm giving you, fine and good. So they said earn up to $10, watch video and earn Doppy, withdraw Doppy fee 30%. Boxes drop only with an active boost. No boost, no reward. So try risk free. If it doesn't pay off, we will refund your money. So that's what they said. If you want to continue, you can continue. So all of them has its own price and its own return. So you can just go through it. So here is our balance. This is what I got today. Total 0.61. This is my main balance at the top. It have not reflect here. So I got 0.61. If you're watching video, this thing will drop. When it drops 3 times, you will claim the reward. So I've already claimed my reward because the thing I've dropped 3 times. If you're watching video, that's when the box will drop and you click on it to receive your reward. So here you can monetize, monetization for creators. You can come here to create content. And what I like is that I've seen a lot of people that started their content journey and they got a lot of views and followers. But so I joined my own today. So I just hope I also got more views and followers on it, just like TikTok. So if I back, my network is very bad. If you want to make a withdrawal, which is the main thing everybody wants to know, you click on withdraw. So they say register on no trust and withdraw your earning. So basically that's where they are going to be transferring the money to, and from there you can make your withdrawal. So same there you will know the minimum amount, the minimum withdrawal to withdraw to your wallet. So let's create our wallet. They will direct us there. So this is the no trust trade earn on crypto, create free account. We will click on it, set up our account. So I'll get over to my email to verify this. So this is the email they sent to me. I'll click on verify email. So now my email is verified. Let's go and sign in. So we'll now click on sign in. We already have an account, so there's no need. Enter account, put our details to sign in. We'll click on login. So our account is ready. Here, this is where they will deposit the Doppy, and from here you can send it to wherever you want to send it. Currently, I don't know how much is the minimum, so I can't say anything for now. Maybe in my next video I will talk about all the details, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I drop the next video. So now let's go back to the app. So let's go back. How do you earn? We'll click on watch. So the more you scroll watching videos, the more you scroll, a box will pop out. So you have to click on that box and you claim your Doppy. So that's how it works. It's nothing much. And the box will pop out. When it pops out, you click on the box and your reward will show. So the reward will go to your balance. So that's basically how it works. If you want to create content, you can also click here to create your own content so that other people can also watch. So that's how this is, just a social account, and also you can earn while watching videos. My next video, I'm going to explain furthermore